all about cake pops, a sweet English lesson. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we have a sweet and delightful topic to discuss: cake pops. You might have seen them in cafes, at parties, or even tried making them at home. But do you know what exactly cake pop means? Let's break it down together and understand this delicious phrase. Cake pops are a type of dessert that combines cake and frosting to create a moist, ball-shaped treat. They are usually attached to a stick, making them easy to hold and eat, similar to a lollipop. Cake pops have become incredibly popular for their cuteness, delicious taste, and the creativity they allow in decorating. Let's look at the two words that make up this phrase. Cake. This is a sweet, baked dessert made from a mixture of flour, sugar, eggs, and other ingredients. Pop. In this context, pop doesn't have a specific meaning by itself. However, when combined with cake, it creates an image of a small, fun, and easy-to-eat treat. It's like a pop of cake in your mouth. So, a cake pop is essentially a pop or piece of cake that you can enjoy easily, without needing a plate or fork. Now that we know what cake pops are, let's see how we can use this phrase in sentences. I bought a dozen cake pops for my daughter's birthday party. Have you ever tried making cake pops at home? They're fun and easy. The bakery down the street makes the best chocolate cake pops. As you can see, cake pop can be used just like any other noun in English. And that's it for today's sweet lesson on cake pops. I hope you found this video helpful and that you now feel confident in understanding and using the phrase, cake pop. Don't forget to practice, and maybe even try making some cake pops yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!